Are you stuck? Hi, Juby. I'm accidentally taking a video and not a picture, so I'm just kind of rolling with it.
Oh, help! Help!
Jack, are you stuck? Can you get out of the cushions? Jack, you got a cute little butt there, pal. A nice bum.
Smile.
Let me see you smile. Smile.
Smile!
Give me a big smile. Good job, Jack.
I do a big smile.
Let me see.
Smile! Take a picture.
I am taking a picture. I'm taking a video. Hi, Juby.
Take video.
I'm taking a video. I see you.
Smile!
Ah!
Like a video.
It's a video. You're on the video.
Oh!
That's a good thing. Hey, don't hit your sister.
Whoa!
I have a few minutes to try and do my letter.
Yeah. Give her a call. That would have been Karina asking if she could give her Nana a call for her birthday. And we said, of course. Where's... Ah! All right. Gotta go. Jack issues.